Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Myself Sibani. Today I will be preparing one dish of one vegetable called spiny gourd. In Odisha it is called as kankod. So it is called in different name in different state. So this vegetable is very useful for basically for diabetes and blood pressure people. I'll be preparing the dish in very simple way. Please follow the steps to prepare it, and also please give the comment and subscribe my channel if you like the recipe. So let's start and check out the recipe. To make this recipe, I have taken 4 to 5 spiny gourd, 4 potato, 1 onion paste, 2 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tomato paste, salt by taste, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 4 to 5 tablespoon of mustard oil, and some dry masala like chili powder, dhania powder, and garam masala. I will cut the spine gourd into 2 pieces. Before that I will remove the skins. It's not fully, little skin I will remove. In a kadai I will take 3 to 4 tablespoon of mustard oil. Once it is hot, then I will add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Then I will add the vegetables. I will add half tablespoon of salt, and I'll fry it for 5 to 6 minutes till it turns the vegetables are fried properly. I will remove the vegetables now. To that kadai I will add 2 tablespoon of mustard oil, half tablespoon of sugar, then 2 to 3 dry chili, and 1 tablespoon of panchphuran. Once it is cracked, then I will add half tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. This will make the curry very colorful. Then I will add 2 tablespoon of garlic paste. Once it is cooked properly, then I will add the onion paste. I will fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the masala is cooked, then I will add the ginger paste. Another 2 to 3 minutes I will cook it. Now I will add the tomato puree. So I will cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I will add the dry masala. First turmeric powder, then 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and half tablespoon of red chili powder, and salt by taste. Then I will add some water to the I'll cook the masala for 4-5 minutes. So now the masala is cooked properly. I will add the fried vegetables to this. Another 5 minutes I will cook the vegetables in masala. Then I will add the water, half cup of water to the curry. The spiny gourd curry is ready to serve now. Thank you for watching my recipe. Please give the comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my recipe. Thank you. Happy cooking.